Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make refreshing drinks at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll want fresh fruits like lemons, limes, and various berries to add natural sweetness and a burst of flavor. Next, select a base liquid. Plain water, sparkling water, or even unsweetened iced tea work wonderfully. Finally, prepare your preferred sweeteners, such as honey, agave nectar, or a homemade simple syrup, to adjust the taste to your liking. These simple components are the foundation for delicious beverages. Now, let's dive into some easy techniques to elevate your drinks. Start by gently muddling fresh herbs like mint or basil with your chosen fruits in the bottom of a pitcher. This releases their essential oils and juices, intensifying the flavor. Next, combine your base liquid with any sweeteners, stirring thoroughly until everything is well dissolved. Finally, add plenty of ice just before serving to ensure your drink stays perfectly chilled and doesn't become watered down too quickly. Enjoy the crisp, cool taste. Presentation is key to making your homemade drinks feel special. Consider garnishing with vibrant fresh fruit slices, a sprig of fragrant mint, or even a few edible flowers for a beautiful touch. You can also get creative with ice by using fun molds to make large cubes or spheres, which melt slower and look fantastic. Serving your refreshing creations in attractive glassware truly elevates the experience, making every sip feel like a treat. It's all about enjoying the moment. For those looking to take their drink making to the next level, try experimenting with homemade infused syrups. You can use ingredients like ginger, cinnamon sticks, or even exotic fruits to create unique flavor profiles. Another great tip is to prepare large batches of concentrated fruit or herb mixtures. This allows you to quickly mix up a refreshing drink whenever you desire, saving you time and effort. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay hydrated throughout your day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.